Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to your science lecture. Take out your science books and science copies. So today we will do question answers of chapter number 1, which is the human body. For this you have to take out your copies and pencils. First mention the date and day, 16th April 2021, and day is Friday. So the question number 1 which we will today is on textbook page number 7 from the topic ear. How does brain help you to hear? यानी जो आपका ब्रेन है वो आपको सुनने में कैसे मदद करता है? In ears, the eardrums turn the sounds into vibrations. These vibrations move into the inner ear where they are sent to the brain. The brain then makes sense of the sound. So basically what happens when sound is transferred into your ear, it first hits your eardrum which is present in the middle ear. So basically eardrum पे जब sounds जाके टकराएंगी, eardrum turn those sounds into vibrations, and these vibrations then move into your inner ear where the messages are sent to your brain. The brain then makes sense of the sound. So our next question for today is on textbook page number 9. Topic is eye. What does an image look like when your eyes first see it? यानी हम जब सबसे पहले किसी इमेज को देखते हैं तो वो हमारी आइज़ वो इमेज कैसे प्रोड्यूस करती है? Light rays fall on an object and bounce back. These rays then enter our eye and fall on the retina to form an image of that object. यानी हमें पढ़ा था जब लाइट रेस किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे फॉल होती हैं तो वो बाउंस बैक यानी टकरा के वापस हमारी आइज़ में जब एंटर होंगी तो वो किस पार्ट पे जाके टकराती हैं? रेटिना पे. एंड दैट on that place they produce the image of that object. So that's all for today's class. You have to write these question answers and learn these 2 question answers. I hope you understood the lecture. Until next class, take care students, and Allah Hafiz.